everyone. Let me start off by saying how excited the Army Software Factory is to be partnering with Fed Supernova on this track. And by thanking everyone on behalf of General Murray, Sergeant Major Crosby, and the rest of the Army Futures Command team for beginning this portion of today's events. Specifically important to Software Factory because about a little over a year ago, we announced the creation of the Software Factory here at Fed Supernova. So especially important to everybody here as part of our team. I think kind of like Zach laid out, Software Factory is really all about empowering end users to troubleshoot and code their own solutions to technology problems in the future. We're here as part of the Army Futures Command and combined Austin ecosystem team to find solutions 5, 10, 15 years out in the future, leveraging technology. So it's not lost on us that we've got to come together as an ecosystem for the kids that are in second and third grade right now to empower them 10 years down the line from now by making some headway on the technologies that we provide to DoD. So I ask that everybody keeps that sense of urgency in mind as we go through today's panels. We've flown in quite a few experts here to sort of generate this conversation. And again, it's just an honor to be able to have this spotlight for the day. At this point, I'm going to turn it over to our Fed Supernova collaborator for a short message.
Hello, I'm Rob Thomas, and first I want to thank all of you who are active military and veterans for your service. It is an honor to be speaking with you, and for me this is unique because I'm the executive sponsor for IBM's veteran community. I'm proud to count thousands of veterans among my colleagues at IBM, and I've really enjoyed getting to know them over the last year. In my experience, those who have served in the military, they bring something special to IBM: unparalleled discipline, passion, engagement, commitment to everything they do. And what I really admire is they are always trying to raise the bar, find another level in what they're doing. That's just one of the reasons I feel so fortunate that IBM and the Army have worked hand to hand for decades. Think about it, since World War II, when IBM produced M1 carbines for the military, to today, where we're modernizing through technologies like hybrid cloud and artificial intelligence. And then you go towards the future, it could be quantum computing, it will be edge computing. As we look ahead, we will continue to be AFC's trusted partner for strategic technology. We'll have an in-depth understanding of decision dominance challenges, and we'll team with the Army to co-create solutions for things such as the Army Data Fabric and delivering top-notch hybrid cloud capabilities for enterprise cloud management agency, and supporting AFC with AI to edge platforms for project convergence and success for Army modernization. These are just a few examples. But as you know, innovation is a team sport. And I think one of the biggest benefits of being at the Capital Factory is the ability to interact with all these amazing partners in the innovation ecosystem in Texas. You've got a phenomenal talent base. We've got small businesses. We've got academia, all working together to assist the Department of Defense with dual-use technology. That's what I think is so great about this event. It brings all these great minds together to catalyze what we think will be great ideas and imagine what's really possible in the future. And on top of that, securing our operational superiority in defense will require engaging the next generation of developers and inspiring them to continue the spirit of innovation and collaboration. Lieutenant Colonel Irico and the whole Army Software Factory team have done an amazing job at building a culture that will attract the best talent from throughout the Army. And now we just need to keep building on that culture of innovation and collaboration to help shape the most technically advanced military in the world. We are ready. I know all of you are too. Thanks again. We are very proud and honored to be a part of this event. I look forward to hearing about all the great outcomes. Thank you.
What a powerful message for Fed Supernova to kick us off. And so I'll just take from that, innovation is absolutely a team sport. And so, with that in mind, from one powerhouse to another, I have the privilege of introducing someone that we just can't say enough about at Army Futures Command and at the Army Software Factory for a little bit of a keynote address, followed by a little bit of a fireside chat.